Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing access. Install N8n and ensure you can log in. Once done, place the Excel workbook on OneDrive or SharePoint so N8n can reach it. Next, create a Microsoft Azure app to get a client ID and secret. You need graph permissions for files. Read, write, and offline access. Make sure redirect URI points to your N8n instance. This is the first actionable work. Verify token exchange for the created credentials before moving on. You now build the flow, add the Microsoft Excel node, and select the OAuth credentials you set up. Then, choose the correct drive, folder, and workbook. If possible, target a named table. This avoids fragile cell ranges. Once selected, configure the operation. Read rows, append, update, or clear. Chain a trigger node like cron or webhook to run automatically. Also include a set node to normalize column names so subsequent nodes process predictable keys. To finish, run the workflow against a small test sheet and inspect the node output in N8n to confirm columns and types. Once verified, add error handling. Set retries, delays, and a dead letter path for failed rows. Make sure file locks are avoided by using table operations instead of raw cell edits. If something goes wrong, reauthorize the Microsoft credentials and check token scopes. Often a missing graph scope or expired token is the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.